them I'm the realest. Then they feel me, killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking.
Girl, hey, your favorite shopaholic is back. Body wave, 18 inches. And the hair is absolutely beautiful. It's thick all the way from the tips to the roots. And I love it. This unit is from GLEEmade. If you like this wig, I will leave a link down below. Check out my hair. Y'all, I have been rocking these braids for at least 3 months. And it's just getting crazy. So I had to take them out, and yeah, it's time to wash this hair and get it together. Had to get that good old Olaplex in there, washed it, conditioned it, and blew it out. And this is what it's giving right now. And my face is dry, so gotta hydrate that, and my lips and all of that good stuff. So now we are ready to get started. I did have braiding hair. I got this hair from Amazon. It was a little too long for what I was trying to do, and so I cut it in half, and then I just, you know, kind of elongated the pieces so it kind of was more jagged. I didn't want that blunt end for the braiding hair. So here we are the next day. I'm basically done, but I did want to show you how I install one braid. So that's how much hair I pull apart, and I pull 7 pieces of that for the top of my head. I grab 2 pieces of my braiding hair and I start braiding down the braid. These are not knotless braids. These are braids with a regular knot. I did not feel comfortable trying to figure out how to do knotless with this one. So I do the braiding hair, I braid down 1 turn, and then I add the human hair in and loop it around the alligator clip. Then I braid down 1 more time, I add more of the human hair in, put it around the alligator clip. And I keep doing that until all 6 pieces are in, and then that last piece, I braid it into the braiding hair. I do not loop it around the alligator clip. I let it stay down and let it hang for the end of the piece of the braid. Then I just loop around a little bit of braiding hair, add some nail glue to hold it in place, and cut the remaining pieces of the synthetic hair off. So here's the last piece. I add it in, I braid the whole human hair piece down. I go ahead and pull a little bit of the synthetic hair, wrap it around to secure the braid, add the nail glue, and trim off any extra synthetic hair that is hanging out of the braid. You're also going to want to trim any human hair that's hanging out of the braid. Anything that's sticking out of the braid, you definitely want to trim that up. But this is the end result. I absolutely love how the hair looks. It's so full. It's so beautiful. And oddly enough, it's not heavy. It's very, very lightweight. I love the way that it has natural layers, and it just falls almost like it's a sew-in or like a quick weave or something, but it's actually braids. It just has a really nice blended look. I really like how this hair came out. So I went ahead and laid my baby hairs. I'll leave the edge control that I used down below. Alright, so this is the end result of the hair. Excuse my voice. I literally got sick in the midst of doing this video and braiding my hair. So I've literally been braiding my hair for the past 3 days with the worst cold imaginable. I don't know where this came from, but I'm on the mend now. I'm feeling better. I just still sound super nasally, but here's how the hair came out. This was an experiment, you guys. I have never done a style like this before, and I really didn't know what I was doing. I watched a few YouTube girlies do styles similar to this, but they did it on smaller braids. And if you've been watching me long enough to know, you know I don't have patience for teeny tiny braids. I cannot do teeny tiny braids, and it's just not something that I can sign up for. So when I braid my hair, I do jumbo large box braids only. And so that's what I did here. I will leave all the details of how many rows of braids I have and how many braids are on each one, and then how many pieces of hair I added to each braid on each row. So I'm gonna write that all out and put a screenshot in here of it, and you can take a picture of it to know how many braids I have on my head. I did get that idea from Karen Prince. I love that she does that. I think it's so helpful. So I did get that idea from her. If you're not following her, follow her. She is the queen of braids and like bohemian braids and braid styles like this. I love how these braids came out. I thought they would actually take a lot faster than they took. I think what takes a lot of time is separating each of the human hair pieces for each braid. That took a lot of time. And then what else took a lot of time was elongating the packs of braid hair, because I had to cut them in half. The braid hair was too long for my purposes. So it's a little time consuming in terms of that. And then braiding it in is just a little bit of a learning curve. So like all the braids in the back are trash. It took me about to the like second level of braids to start to get a hang of it. But then also the braids in the back, like in the middle, those were the hardest ones for me to do, I'll be honest. The ones around the sides were much easier, and obviously the front was the easiest. So yeah, I love how these came out. Like I said, this was an experiment, and halfway through, I really considered giving up. I was really hating how it looked. I could not see like the forest from the trees. But then my daughter walked up and was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. And at that moment, I was just like, okay, trust the process, keep going. Because I started feeling sick, I started feeling bad. And then, you know, you just get like this dysmorphia. You start looking at yourself, and it just, everything is horrible and you're not feeling good. So I was like, okay, let me take a pause, let me take a nap, recharge myself, and get back to it. And then when I got back to it, it did start looking good. And then I finished these braids yesterday. I slept on them. So this is next day hair. We are gonna go to the beach today. Sorry, we were supposed to go to the beach. We're gonna go to a water park. So I will be getting the hair wet, and I will show you guys how it looks after it gets wet. But this is literally just fresh out the pack and into my hair. I have not used any mousse. I have not used any curling iron, any flat iron. This is just fresh out the pack. I did take some pictures of different styles, half up, half down, side part. Actually, I could just show it here. It's the other side part, the other side, very cute. I love me a good old side part. Middle part, very cute. And we could do half up, half down. Half up, half down. Love half up, half down, because then you can just go on about your day without hair all in your face. And obviously you can pull it all up. Now, of course, the first day or so, you're gonna get some shedding. That's that human hair that's gonna shed out. But it should stop after like the first day or two. All up. And usually when I do all up, I typically like to do a bun of some kind. And yeah, so that's what we got. Let me know what you guys think of the style. I think it's really cute. I like that I did it larger. I don't think too many people have done it larger on YouTube. So if you're trying to save a little bit of time or just try something different, I think this is really cute. And when you're doing your hair yourself, you definitely, I know me personally, I definitely have to find faster ways to do my hair myself. So obviously a jumbo hairstyle is a quick way to get your hair done. without overstressing your body. My arms get tired, my neck gets tired. Like, I have to figure out a way to do my hair faster. The older I get, I have to figure out how to do my hair faster. So this is a great option. Let me know what you guys think. I think it came out really cute. I'm definitely gonna try a couple more styles with hair like this because I think it's super cute. I wanna flat iron this hair and see how it looks straight. And then I wanna actually like curl this hair in like spiral curls and just see what that looks like. I think that could be really pretty, especially for like a date night or like a more elevated look. Smaller spiral curls would be really pretty. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Share the video. Share the video. If you want to show somebody a new style, just help them get inspired, or you know, whatever. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you are not. 80% of you all watch my videos and never hit the subscribe button. Hit subscribe, it's free, doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps me out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.